Hello, beautiful people. How's your day going? Pretty good, I hope. I just wanted to see how you're doing, checking on you. It's been a couple of weeks. I had this hair packed up I called it a beehive, and I guess actually it's a mohawk. So it's time to let it down, let down my hair. Don't get uptight, people. Let it down, let it go. Oh, it's beginning to feel relieving already. Yeah, it's been a minute. I guess this is how it is when we bottle up emotions, all uptight. But when you let it go, oof, I feel the relief already. It feels free. Wow, it feels free. Let go. Let go and let God. Let go of all the bitterness. Let go of all the uptightness. Is there a word like that? I don't know. You can correct me. Feels relieving. It's a relief. And it's a new look. Yep. It's a new look again. Have a good one, everyone.